How to use coupon code in Uber Eats. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. You can launch a preferred browser in your device and search for Uber Eats, or if you have installed the application of Uber Eats, just launch the application. Make sure that you are logged in into your Uber Eats account. If you already have a coupon code for your Uber Eats and you want to use your coupon code, it is pretty simple. The first step is to order up some food from your Uber Eats. You can even search for any of the delicacies or just tap from any of the suggestions over here. Now, for an example, I want some fast food. I'll be tapping on the given category. From here, select on McDonald's, Domino's, or whatever that you prefer. Then, select on the plus sign icon to add into your cart. You'll be able to select multiple options as well as drinks, sauces, and more. After which, tap on the Save button or Continue. Then, select on Add One to Order. Wait until it adds up. Then select whether you are delivery or you want a pickup, after which tap on View Cart. Then select on the option of Go to Checkout. In here, you need to look out for the address delivery option, and right at the payment section, you will find Add Promo Code. Just click on it. Over here, just enter the promo code that you have. Make sure you enter the promo code correctly. If the promo code is legitimate, you will see substantial discount in your order as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.